Believe to fly. Training your subconscious mind for positive thoughts. Your brain processes about 70,000 thoughts each day. Your brain can only remember 4 thoughts in a second. Thoughts come in on a first in, first out basis. Once you experience a bad or negative thought, you need to be aware of it and immediately think of something positive. Being aware of your negative thoughts at all times requires awareness and training your subconscious mind repeatedly. Limit the effect of a negative or bad thought to the minimum. Negative thoughts produce negative energy, and replacing them with positive thoughts radiate positive energy internally and to those around you. Be in power and be in control of yourself. Believe to fly.